To make a 3D paper snowflake, you'll need 6 square pieces of paper that are all the same size, scissors, and clear tape. To get started, fold one of the squares in half diagonally so it's a triangle. Then fold the triangle in half so you're left with a smaller triangle. Use your scissors to cut 3 evenly spaced vertical slits along one of the short sides of the triangle, stopping each slit before you reach the other side. Now unfold the paper all the way so it's square again. Tape the tips of the 2 innermost flaps together. Then flip the paper over and tape the tips of the next 2 flaps together. Flip the paper over again and tape the 3rd pair of flaps together. Then do the same thing on the other side one more time with the last 2 flaps. Now you're finished with the first arm of the snowflake. Set the first arm aside and repeat with the other 5 squares. When you're finished, tape the bottoms of 2 of the snowflake arms together. Then tape the arms together where they touch in the middle. Tape the rest of the snowflake arms one at a time. Once you've attached the final arm, your 3D paper snowflake is finished.